Okay, good afternoon, Stoplight fans. We are here at Hyundai Parañaque West.
Yes.
That's right. And guess who's beside me? Siyempre na starstruck ako and hiyang-hiya ako. Formal yung katabi ko. Ako medyo casual lang. And wala nang iba yan kundi si, Jose Sixto Dantes III, otherwise known as Ding Dong Dantes.
Hi, love. Nice to see you again. Akala mo lang formal, pero syempre, yung mga kwentuhan natin, hindi na.
Exactly, Dong. Dong, I'm sure itong mga viewers namin are fans of yours, no? And everybody knows na you're fond of motorcycles and cars. And earlier, you said to everybody in the media that this is your first venture in being a dealer of Hyundai. So why did you choose Hyundai?
Well, because, alam mo, whenever I associate myself with anything, may it be sports, studies, projects, I want to involve myself into something that I believe in, something that I can identify with. So with Hyundai's new tagline, new thinking, new possibilities, kasi ako, personality ko, I always like to, reinvent myself. I always want to challenge myself. Gusto ko mga bago, mga ini-engage ko para, parati kang on the go. And since, like what you said, na I love cars, magmula nung bata pa ako, and given the good economy, the good economics of the buying industry nowadays, I thought of putting up this dealership together with my friends. So, kumbaga, it just all fell into place.
Okay, so you're not alone in this dealership.
That's right. I am part of the WIT Auto Group,
Okay.
WIT.
Yes, and what does WIT mean?
Internal na lang yan.
Okay,
But
okay.
it can mean so many things. And like what you said,
Witty.
hindi tayo formal. So medyo kalokohan din yun. Hindi, biro lang.
diba?
No, it represents something.
Okay.
But I'm with a group of friends, si William Irwin Cheng.
Yes.
So, go figure. Go figure. Okay.
Ayun,
So,
there. Oo nga.
Mark Sayarot, and we have our board of directors as well. Like my dad is also in the board of directors.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, Dong, just wondering, no? So, maybe nagtataka yung mga fans mo dyan na, uy, kung si Ding Dong Dantes nagpatayo ng Hyundai dealer, ano kaya ang sasakyan niya na Hyundai?
Nakapila ako sa Grand Santa Fe.
Wait. Nakapila ka.
Nakapila. Kasi ganun nga yung demand dun sa coaching yun. Na even before na pasukin namin itong dealership nito, yung supply nila is not enough. Dahil sa sobrang dami nakapila dun sa sasakyan na yun. So even ako, syempre, if it arrives, in case it arrives, I would like to give it first to the customers. But I would do everything para mabigyan na like what I drove a while ago. Beautiful.
And Dong, since you opened up a car dealership, do you have plans of opening up a motorcycle dealership naman?
Alam mo, let's leave that to our friends, like Toti in particular, Toti and Joy. Although I'm not closing my doors, but right now I must say I am a good supporter of their industry. So regardless if I am a dealer or not, even you, that's where we met.
For the benefit of our viewers, no, Ding Dong and I, we met being Ducati racers.
Ikaw lang ang racer.
Ako ba yun?
Ikaw ang racer. Ako enthusiast lang.
Whatever the case is, Ding Dong and I are fond of Ducatis. Ganon. Uy, sobra ka. Actually nga, one of my goal is, kailangan mag-backride ako kay Dong.
Ako magbe-backride sa'yo. Ako na lang. Mas mabilis ka sa akin eh.
Huy, your bike is actually more comfortable than mine. Kasi sport bike ako. Ikaw, you have the, what do you have now?
I just shifted to the Multistrada. So, yeah. Pwede.
And Dong, no, of all places, because I know you live in the opposite side of the city, so why here in Parañaque? What's this, Sucat Road, to be exact?
So, it's commonly known as the Sucat Road, but officially it's the Ninoy Aquino Road.
Okay.
Well, kasi Hyundai really wants to mark their territories in the key areas in the urban, in the city, in Metro Manila in particular. So, Parañaque being one of the fast emerging cities and one of the strongest cities in the metro, it is not yet that well represented yet because syempre there's also some in the south,
Yeah.
pero yung mismong heart of Parañaque West, buti na lang ay wala pa. So
nga.
kaya dito tayo.
Oo nga. And as sabi nga ni Ding Dong earlier, no, if you're on the plane coming back to Manila, the first thing you'll see is Hyundai Parañaque
West.
Kulang na lang nga mag-billboard siya sa bubong nito eh.
Hindi naman kasi auto naman ang binibente. Auto naman, hindi naman. So magdi-display tayo ng Starex dun sa bubong, pwede. Revolving Starex.
Pwede.
Pwede.
So Dong, maybe you'd like to invite our viewers or maybe those who are interested to purchase Hyundai vehicles in this area, in the Parañaque, or should I say in the south area?
Yes.
How can they find you?
Yeah. First of all, thank you for being here, for witnessing our launch. For those who are interested in getting any or most or if not all of the units of Hyundai, you can find us here in along the Ninoy Aquino Road here in Parañaque. We're called Hyundai Parañaque West. So one of these days, so if you walk in, probably I'll personally be the one to welcome you here and tour you around, and probably we can do a test drive of some sort.
Oh, kita mo, si Ding Dong ang magdadrive.
Kung mag-aabot tayo rito.
Oo nga.
So, yung schedule, sasabihin ko na lang kung kailan. So, text ko na lang sa'yo.
Sige. And for the benefit of our viewers, the Hyundai Parañaque West, for the guys, especially for the guys, alam nyo to, it's just near,
It's the airport.
yeah, the airport.
And the airbase.
And the Pizza Pie.
The pizza. The airbase.
Oo.
And the supermarket.
Oo. And something na related to one. Ayun.
Okay, yeah.
Kasi Hyundai is number one.
Hyundai is number
Oo,
one.
naman.
Di pa.
Ano
Sa
yun?
amin number one.
Sa inyo nga.
Going there,
number
getting
one.
there, getting there.
Lalo na with this guy.
Getting there.
Sure ball na yan. So Dong, thank you so much for your time. I know, hindi lang, you're not just busy as an artista, as a businessman as well. And it's an honor na you gave me that, you spared your time for me.
Thank you. Love.
And I hope we will ride again soon.
Looking forward to that.
Sige.
May it be inside a sedan, an SUV, or two-wheeler.
Or we will put our two wheels on the trailer and attach it to one of the Hyundai SUVs.
Correct. That's true. We can do that.
All right, so there you have it, everybody. Beside me is the ever famous Ding Dong Dantes.